What's up, my friends? This is Sir Errant, and I want to thank you for joining me on yet another quest. Today we are exploring the world of the Walk by Darkus. This is a demo where a road trip to see a friend turns into a very different trip. It was late at night. I was driving on a secondary road to visit some friends who lived in a remote village far away from everything. I'd been to his house a few times in the past, and the route was very tiring. I was already very tired of driving when I was passing through a tunnel and heard a loud noise coming from inside my car. Seconds later, smoke started coming out of the front of the car. I got out of the tunnel and pulled to the side of the road to see what had happened to the car. After looking for a while to see what had happened, I realized that the engine had suffered severe damage and that I would not be able to continue driving. I thought, what bad luck I have had. I will be late to my friend's house. I realized that I was in a town very close to my friend's house. I decided to look for a place to sleep tonight in this town called Nominal Town. Alright. Oh. Okay, so R for read. I need a flashlight as soon as possible. Alright, well, we need to find a flashlight. Oh, this is probably our car here. Yeah, it should not be sparking like that. I agree. Right? Perfect. Find a place to stay overnight. Oh, are these just objectives? I think these are just objectives. Cool. Need to find a flashlight as soon as possible. Okay, cool. That didn't say anything unique. That's a really bad place for the garage. Hmm. On-street parking. Nope, that's not gonna work. Walk on the sidewalk. Be a good, abiding citizen. Oh, fellow citizen. I'm in need of assistance. Hello, stranger. What are you doing so late at night on the street? Hi, my name is Matt. I just had a breakdown on my car. Oh, that sounds really bad. By the way, my name's Cooper. Nice to meet you, Cooper. Nice to meet you, Cooper. Do you know if by any chance there's a motel I can stay at tonight? I'm sorry to tell you that there are no motels in this town as it is very small. I'll have to keep walking then. May I ask you where you want to go? I was on my way to a friend's house at the end of town. Strange. I think your friends are fooling you. Why do you say that? At the end of this town, there's nothing. What? I had already been to my friend's house several times before. Son, I don't know if it's because you're tired or what, but at the end of this town, there is nothing. I'm telling you that there is. Well, as you wish. If you want, you can stay at my house overnight. No thanks, I don't want to be late with my friends. As you wish, son. Be very careful around here. There are a lot of crazy people. Thanks for the advice, Cooper. Bye. Goodbye. Oh yeah, by the way, Cooper's blind. So, yeah. Nothingness. Funny if it's just like a lake. Hmm. Okay, so that was not a sound we generated. I'm very hungry. I need something to eat. We needed to put a note here in advance to eat something. There we go. Okay, cool. It's turned off finally. No, man. Water. Yeah, water bending machine. Ceiling fan. Bags. Colas. Probably more snacks. Nice. Darwin, welcome to my store, stranger. Hi, I saw that store's open and I got a little hungry. Here you have a wide selection of things to eat and drink. Thank you. I'll take a look at it. When you are finished, come back to pay. Understood. Cereal. Yeah, looks like chocolate cereal too. We got our man of fine taste and class. That's all you need? Yes, their cereal. This cereals will take away my hunger. By the way, where are you heading so late at night? I'm going to a friend's house at the end of town. Walking? Yes, my car broke down. How unlucky. Yeah, I know. You said you're going to your friend's house at the end of this town? Yeah, why? At the end of this town, there's nothing. You are the second person to tell me the same thing today. I don't know what you're getting at, but I'm warning you that nobody has dared to go to the end of town for a few years now, kid. And why is that? It's believed that 5 years ago, a demon possessed a man who lived in a house hidden in the forest. That's just a legend, right? Well, no idea, but nobody dares to go to the end of the village in case something happens to them. Well, I don't think anything will happen. It'll just be stories to scare children. Well, a year ago, a girl who decided to go to investigate was never seen again. That's scary, but I don't think it was because of something demonic. I'll go on my way. As you wish, but be careful out there. There are a lot of crazy people in town, especially now that it's nighttime. Thank you very much. How much do I owe you for the cereal? It would be $4. Here you go. Have a nice night. Thank you. You too. So second person in town said there's crazy people. Granted, the first guy said it was blind too, but so he's outside still though, so he's safe. This guy works the night shift. Probably nothing too bad. Come on, right guy. Okay. What the fuck just happened? I think I'm going crazy around here. From this point in the village, there are no more street lamps on the street. Why could that be? It's because of demons. You just saw a demon. Want to know the rational thing? You walk back in here and you admit you're wrong. This fine gentleman here. You say, I'm sorry, sir. I was wrong. There are demons on your streets. That was not a person. I'm sorry, sir. Please help. But no. We have to do full horror game protagonist mentality and just book it down the street. I hate this guy. Oh, what do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor? I can't see nothing. I need that camera. 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 Oh, because we saw something. We want to take a picture of it. Okay. Cool. Gotta be a camera in here then. Coffee. Where's the camera? Am I just blind? Like Cooper? This way? No? That's not it. Camera B. Hmm. There's a video camera inside the car. The flashlight ran out of batteries. So we're just gonna steal this. Cool. So this is just our night vision. Okay. There was something there. Okay, cool. It's off to the... Okay. I'm on to you, demons. Oh, okay. Oh, no, that was a cat. That was a cat raccoon, something like that. Ain't nothing bad. Ain't nothing bad. Just a cat or raccoon. Garbage should be dumped here by all neighbors. Yeah, raccoon. It was just a raccoon. Ain't anything bad. There ain't no grave that can hold my body down. There ain't no grave that can hold my body down. I wish there was a grave that could hold his body down. Her body down. Hello, lady? Are you okay? Oh, okay. My head hurts. I think she's dead. What the hell? Oh, yay. Jeez Louise. Everything was a lie from the beginning. That blind man warned me about this. Also that man in the store. What have I just witnessed? Is that girl who was never seen again? Oh, the girl that disappeared in the woods. Thanks to the blind man who ran over the demon, I'll be fine now, right? The blind man was driving. The blind man was driving the car. We should be I guess if we're fighting demons right now, or dealing with demons right now, we would be less concerned about a blind man driving a car. The logistics behind that is a little concerning, though. Right, isn't it? The Walk by Darkus. Once more, this is a demo for a larger game that is currently in the works, and I'm seeing some elements that I already like with this. we have the mystery of us showing up in a town that doesn't seem really familiar to us, even though we have visited before. We visited the friend's house before. But everyone is saying, like, you don't go out to this area where the house is. So I'm interested to see how that's going to turn out. We also have the blind man who is driving, but they seem to be pretty familiar with it, like the demons and everything else that are about, as well as the cashier. So it'll be interesting to see where this is going to go. Look forward to playing it. And once more, the link's going to be down in the description. Feel free to have at it and support them if you can. Thank you, and again, I would like to thank you for watching. Daily Hope.